Tonight, 7 News headlines. Voting closed on the East Coast. Seven's election HQ already projecting the results of 49 seats. Other seats across Sydney settling in for a long night as close contests emerge. Voters forced to wait for hours, long lines snaking through Western Sydney suburbs. And 4 people have been treated as a major blaze broke out at a home in St Clair. Now here's Sally with Sydney's weather.
Thank you very much, Mark. Well, Sydney's run of wet weather continues, with some suburbs set to see close to 100 millimetres of rain over coming days. Today we reached a top of 18 degrees in the city. That was this afternoon, after a low this morning, a smidge under 13 degrees. Temperatures were cool across the board today in the high teens for most of us, while the heaviest showers were just to the south of the city. Bellambi saw around 20 millimetres. Overnight, most Sydney suburbs picked up between 10 to 20 millimetres, so some fairly heavy falls in the dark. Now, we can blame the rain on very moist southeasterly winds. They're just driving moisture off the sea straight along the east coast at the moment. There's also a coastal trough, and that's behind that very heavy rain we're seeing through pockets of Queensland at the moment, and it's also triggering heavy showers through the northeastern corner of New South Wales. That trough will continue to affect Brisbane tomorrow. Rain is forecast, although it should ease to showers later on in the day. The southeastern capital should be mostly fine. Fairly cool, though, with temperatures in the mid to low teens. And over on the west coast, we've actually got a cold front arriving for Perth, with gale force winds and heavy rain hitting later in the day and tops of 24 degrees. Let's have a closer look at our state for tomorrow, and it's a rinse and repeat situation right across New South Wales. We've got those showers hugging the coast once again. Widespread 10 to 20 millimetres forecast for most locations. In terms of temperatures, 19 degrees through Port Macquarie and around 20 millimetres of rain there. A cooler 17 degrees through Batemans Bay. Fairly dry, though, through the southern inland areas of the state, while out the back of Bourke we've got some storms firing up, and that's with the trough just pushing through. Cloudy is the story for Sydney tomorrow. High chance of showers. Will fail to get out of the teens for most of us. 19 degrees through Parramatta and also at Hornsby. Now, the hazardous surf has subsided for Sydney's coast, but there could be another deceptively powerful pulse on Monday. Tomorrow we've got southeasterly winds at forecast and swell sitting around 2 metres. 14 degrees will be the low tonight, tops of 20 tomorrow. Looking ahead, we've got heavy showers possible again on Monday, 19 degrees there. Same again pretty much into Tuesday and Wednesday. By Wednesday you can see it starting to subside. Thursday onwards is when we'll finally start to see the sun possibly come out again, although we might just see the odd shower or two, but, you know, we're very used to that at this stage of the game, aren't we, Mark?
Rinse and repeat for a few days at least, Sal. Thank you. That is 7 News for this Saturday. Now let's go straight to our team at Election HQ for our extensive coverage as Australia decides.